Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the guessing. Power cycle the modem and router now, and wait 60 seconds before powering back up. This clears transient faults. Once done, make sure your Xbox is on Ethernet or connected to the 5 GHz band for less interference. Wired is best for gaming. Also confirm your ISP shows an active connection or outage alerts. Doing these steps first rules out the most common causes and saves time before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you open the Xbox settings and run the network test to capture NAT type, latency, and packet loss. Note those results. If DNS or connectivity fails, clear the alternate MAC address and reboot the console to force a fresh DHCP lease. If problems persist, assign a static IP on the Xbox or reserve the console's MAC in the router to avoid address conflicts. Then set DNS to reliable public resolvers and forward Xbox live ports if NAT remains strict. Finally, ensure both your router firmware and Xbox system software are fully updated. Outdated firmware often causes subtle failures. Once updated, enable CoS or traffic prioritization for your Xbox to reduce lag and test performance by comparing to another device on the same network. If issues persist, swap the Ethernet cable, try a different router, or connect the Xbox to a mobile hotspot to isolate the ISP. If none of that works,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.